Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one topic, that is currencies dependency. In this basically we are talking about one topic, that is education system. Sorry, the global warming and ideas basically. In this basically 30%, 20% is error basically. That is 100%. That is the 12th number solution, and that actually we are discussing. In this basically one of the person told that we are basically India basically. Uh, Everybody knows that basically this 200 basically is error. Then also basically nobody is basically taking action against India country. Why it is like that basically? Then one of the person told that, do you know basically the satellite group basically who are controlling the half of the world? And yes, they are from India basically. Like that basically. Yes, basically. How basically you can say the people who died na basically in front of the world basically. Yes, yes, yes. They are basically controlling the satellite. So that basically India was whatever India want to do, they can basically be easily able to do basically. For example, somebody is attacking India, then basically they can give earthquake to that country. Oh, that's why basically like this. Basically, the people, the lots of news channel basically say that, see basically this girl basically has died in front of the world basically. See that girl basically has died in front of the world basically. But in real basically Indian group basically are controlling that girl basically. Like this basically India is basically handling. So one of the person told that basically few people basically, do you know basically in Delhi basically lots of statue basically are taken. Then he told that yes basically there are basically lots of statues basically. Then one of the person told that basically, do you know basically how the for example one attack basically happened in the Parliament House basically. Then he told that yes basically attack was happened in the Parliament House basically. What was the reason basically? Then he told that there might be some reason basically. Then one of the person told that basically how Narendra Modi basically the Prime Minister of India basically, how basically he found this type of solution basically. Then he told that basically he basically keeps the statue basically of that particular group basically there. Then basically found the solution basically. Then one of the person told that basically what is actually 20% education error basically. Then he told that 20% education is basically created by the SBI group basically. That was the thing. That was the thing basically. He told that basically education system basically is created by the SBI group basically, who basically nowadays basically never comes in front basically. They basically are doing from back, playing from back foot basically. Like basically the SBI group has given to the control to the some private groups basically. They have given the control to the private group basically. But one of the person told that basically government private basically that is few people only no basically. Then he told that yes basically there are few people only basically who are basically handling this whole thing, so that is government. Then he told that yes basically that is government basically. So few people basically creates the government, and they basically creates the lesson also basically. They basically say that that person basically which is going there, he basically was responsible for that incident basically. Just see basically what basically condition basically we have given to that particular person basically. Yes, yes, basically you are correct basically. That country basically which you are seeing, yeah, we can see that country basically. Then one of the person told that country basically is created problem to the India country. So they see basically what is the condition of that India country basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, you are correct basically. Why? How basically they control? Because they have the control of the satellite group basically. They basically have the control of satellite groups basically. So one of the person told that basically who actually created the Gujarati caste. Then he told that basically Gujarati, that basically I don't know basically. Then one of the person told that basically, do you know basically how Gujarati caste basically was created? Then one of the person basically told that do you know basically how many people died in First World War, Second World War? assume that basically 3 to 4 30 to 40 lakh people died in first world war, third world war, second world war. Then he told that yes, basically that I know. That people basically few people says that that basically has converted into human clone, and that human clone basically converted into Gujarati caste. And few basically people basically came from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, and they basically got some caste. That also basically few people say basically like this basically Gujarati caste started. Few people says that do you know basically that few castes like Amin caste basically, yes basically Amin caste is there na basically. Amin caste is there basically Parliament House. Amin caste is there na basically. Do you know from where which caste basically started? Then he told that that basically is very difficult here basically. That need to investigate basically. That need to investigate basically. Few people says that basically they basically came from Calcutta. Few people says that basically they came from Tamil Nadu. Few people says that basically they are family of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Few people says that basically they are they basically started their journey from the Vietnam war basically. There people basically died. From that basically they converted. Like this basically lots of people says like this. So one of the person told that basically, for example, you are what do you mean by laser basically? For example, somebody is you are talking with someone basically from laptop, and basically somebody told that basically we will break his teeth, we will break his mouth, we will break his eye. How basically this basically done? How basically this type of thing basically are basically done by the India basically never done. India basically never do this basically. They basically says that basically we want to prove basically that you are basically with India. So who do one thing, hit his teeth, hit his eye, hit his head, do this type of thing activity basically. Then that country basically say that basically we will give you proof basically by breaking his teeth, by breaking his head basically. Like this we will give you the proof basically. So they given the proof basically also. Like this basically they given the proof also that we are with India basically. One of the person told that India की इतनी दादागिरी कैसे है यार. Then one of the person told that do you know basically that satellite group basically, that group basically know that basically that whole world is divided from the whole world basically is divided into 11 parts basically, and that 11 parts control basically few parts basically are controlled by the India land basically, sorry Indian nationality group basically, that are basically controlled by the Indian nationality group basically. Achha, that's why basically it's so dadagiri of India country. Yes, basically you are correct. But who is controlling that basically satellite? Then one of the person told that basically people who dies na basically in front of the world basically, they say that this person, this girl basically or this boy basically died from the space basically. They basically space got crash, this happened, that happened. Yes. They basically handle this type of satellites basically, and they say that basically, see basically we are controlling the other countries and basically India countries land basically, that is Asia land basically. Like this basically things are basically there. So one of the person told that basically what is this basically cities can create instead that is in brown color. Then one of the person told that that is also basically this is not, one of the person told that this is a nice color here basically, brown color is looking nice. Then one of the person told that can we create this entire dot basically which is moving to the brown color. Then one of the person told that that is not possible here basically, one earth planet basically can become blue basically and white. Then basically how, why basically the dot basically which is moving that basically can't become brown basically. Then he told that basically that is possible basically, but how to do that basically, which story will create this dot into brown basically, entire dot into brown. So like this basically we are talking about 20% education education basically. Somebody is telling that basically we will finish the entire 80% education, and 20% basically people are telling that basically we will not sorry 80% people basically are 80 percentage education basically is problem basically. In next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this.